Perhaps use bigger bowl than I did.
Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I am going to show you how to perfectly clean this old burnt out and dirty gas burner. As you can see, this gas burner has been used for quite some time and it's time to clean all of this black buildup on it. Now in order to clean this gas burner completely, we will need to use a mixture of 3 products. First one is synthetic vinegar, lemon juice and baking soda.
Put your dirty gas burner into a bowl and pour synthetic vinegar in there until immersion level. So this gas burner needs to be immersed in this synthetic vinegar all the way. Squeeze this juice from 2 lemons right in there and add 2 spoons of baking soda right in there. Be careful with the baking soda. Shit. Yeah. Perhaps use bigger bowl than I did. Shit. And we still have 1 more tablespoon to go. Here we go again. Yes, of course. It's dripping all over the place. Mix everything pretty good.
Now in order for this mixture to have a maximum effect, you need to leave it like this as long as possible. In my case, because this gas burner was pretty dirty, I will leave it overnight and we will come back tomorrow, scrub everything off.
Okay, 17 hours later, let's see what we have here. This looks pretty good. As you can see, there is still some black color right in there. I think this was the dirtiest part. From the back side, there's a little bit of black color here, but everything we can take off using a wire brush. This is basically just a simple wire brush, as small as you can buy. It is better to get in there because you see this is very tight. There's not a lot of space for a wire brush to get in there. So just soak your wire brush and try to go into all of these small areas. One other trick that I use a little bit of washing soap and try to put that washing soap in these small areas. I think this is much better than it was before. We can keep rubbing this black area, but either way it is much better than it was before. Nice, let's dry everything out and let's assemble it back on the stove.
There you have it guys, quick and easy clean. Okay, not so quick, we waited 17 hours for this grease to fall off, but you know what I mean. Quick and easy solution for very greasy gas burners. You have it right there. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. And if you would like to see any other cleaning solution, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys and I will see you in the next one.